Russia achieved a new milestone on November 19, 2025, by delivering two Su-57E Felon stealth fighter jets to its first foreign customer. The identity of the buyer remains confidential, but this first export demonstrates Moscow's ambition to strengthen its position in the fifth-generation fighter jet market and confirm its readiness to compete globally. In an interview at the Dubai Air Show 2025, the CEO of United Aircraft Corporation revealed that both aircraft had entered active service and received positive feedback from early adopters. Interestingly, although the Su-57E is an export variant, the delivered configuration is said to be very close to the Russian frontline model, retaining its stealth design, supercruise capability, modern avionics, and advanced weapons package. This export is not only a technological triumph, but also an economic strategy. Amid pressure on the Russian defense industry and the need to maintain production chains, Su-57E sales represent a vital source of revenue. With this move, the UAC demonstrates that the Su-57 is not simply a Russian military asset, but a symbol of technological sovereignty and a commitment to maintaining competitiveness on an increasingly competitive international stage. The Sukhoi Su-57 project originated from Russia's need to develop a fifth-generation fighter jet to rival the F-22, Raptor and F-35 Lightning II in the early 2000s. Sukhoi engineers faced a major challenge, creating a stealth jet that retained the distinctive Russian jet DNA, aggressive, highly maneuverable, and versatile. Through the PAK FA program, the first T-50 prototype finally emerged, marking a major turning point in Sukhoi's design history. Russia emphasized that the Su-57 was not a copy of Western jets, but rather a national interpretation of the concept of future air supremacy. This philosophy resulted in a unique platform oriented toward tactical flexibility and multi-role strike power. Russia's ambitious ambitions were shaped by increasingly fierce global competition and the need to showcase relevant military technology. The Su-57 was not just an aircraft project, but also a statement that Russia remained a leading player in global defense technology innovation. Unlike Western stealth jets, which prioritize stealthy geometry, the Su-57 is designed with a hybrid approach, sufficient stealth while prioritizing aerodynamic agility. The result is a stealthy jet capable of extreme maneuverability in a variety of combat conditions. The aircraft's structure utilizes extensive composite materials, a flat panel design that reduces radar reflection, and an internal weapons bay to maintain a low radar profile. However, Russia retains large wings and high-powered engines to maintain supermaneuverability. This approach results in an aircraft that is not only difficult to detect by radar, but also highly adaptable in both close and long-range combat. The Su-57 is not simply invisible, but also capable of defending and attacking in high-level dynamic combat. The Su-57 is equipped with advanced avionics, including the No-36 Bayalka-SA radar with additional wing antennas, providing nearly 360-degree coverage. The OLS-50M infrared sensor enables lock-on without emitting radar, enhancing its stealth combat capabilities. In modern combat scenarios, the Su-57 combines radar (IRS) and electronic sensor data through sensor fusion powered by AI algorithms. This system helps pilots instantly understand the combat situation and make faster decisions, especially in multi-threat scenarios. One of the Su-57's most striking advantages is its extreme maneuverability. Thrust vectoring and responsive aerodynamics enable the aircraft to perform maneuvers such as the Cobra and Culbit, which are rare in other fifth-generation jets. Armed with R-77M, R-74M2, and tactical cruise missiles, the Su-57 is capable of carrying out a wide range of missions without compromising stealth. Russia first tested the Su-57 in limited combat conditions in Syria. Although the number of aircraft deployed was small, the mission provided a valuable opportunity to observe the performance of avionics, radar, and weapons in real-world operations. The results of this test inform the refinement of production variants and other combat systems. In the Ukraine conflict, the Su-57 was reportedly used in long-range strike missions using standoff missiles and strategic reconnaissance operations. Russia employed non-visual engagement tactics to maintain the security of this fifth-generation platform while still testing its long-range combat capabilities and electronic warfare system integration. This modern combat experience, though not fully disclosed publicly, laid the foundation for technical evaluations that strengthened the Su-57's production and modernization process for years to come. Russia aims for the Su-57 to be the backbone of its air force by the middle of this century. Developmental variants, such as the Su-57M with its Li-30 engines, will provide a higher thrust ratio, better fuel efficiency, and significantly increased supercruise capability. Russia's most ambitious vision is the integration of the Su-57 with the S-70 Okhotnik-B stealth drone. In this concept, the Su-57 would act as an air commander, controlling multiple drones simultaneously, forming a highly unmatched man-to-man combat formation. The Okhotnik could be used for strike missions, reconnaissance, and even electronic warfare, while the Su-57 would act as the air control center. This technological integration represents a new direction for Russian air strategy, the combination of stealth, AI, and loyal wingmen drones as the foundation of future air warfare. The Su-57 is not just a fighter aircraft, but the spearhead of Russia's modern military technology ecosystem.